We're gonna learn 4 movements, break them down, and then just keep running it to get that heart rate going.
Awesome.
So starting with the first move, you're gonna step that right foot forward. So it goes step, take the arms around. Left leg, here we go. Step it forward, step it back, take the arms around. So twice more slow. Right, step back, take the arms around. Left leg, here we go. Step it forward, take it back. Ready to speed it up? 3, 2, 1, it's right, left. So you really wanna press the weight forward, forward, around. Good, let's do 8 more, just like that. Strong arms, 8, 6, keep it up, last 3, 2, second move, step it out. You're gonna hit, take it around. Hit, take it around, strong arms. Good, last one. Speed it up, let's do it. Hit, around, hit. Good, stay nice and low. Hit. Good, give me 8 more of these. Keep it low, it's 8. 6. Home stretch, last 3. From the top, in 2, 1. Right leg, here it is. Forward, around, left. Keep it going, last 3. So now we're gonna add on with the second move. Step it out, here we go. Hit, around. Woo.
Oh
yes.
yeah,
3 more.
Cardio is spiking.
Last 2. All right, second move. Punch it down, 1 left, 2 right. So single, single, double, double. Down, right, good. Let's do twice more slow. Get it in your body, right? Using your core to press that knee high. 1 more slow, left. Up to tempo, here it is. Take it right, punch. Same thing, accent down. Take it right. Good, if you need to modify, just take this one at your own pace. Keep it going, right, left. Still working hard.
Yeah. Abs getting involved now.
Good, from the top, 3, 2, 1, let's move, take it right. Step it forward, last 3, 2, second move, here we go, step it out, hit, around. Big arms, give me 3, 2, punch downs coming up next, here we go. Right, left, double, left, 2 more. Last one. Adding on, we're gonna kick. Right, left, to right. Tap, left, right, to left. Twice more, slow.
Oh yeah.
Right, hey, to right. Left. Speed this one up. 3, 2, 1, kick it out. Left, right. Woo, keep it up, you got a few more, keep it up. Right, left, left, right. Last 2, ready to hit it from the top?
All right,
Here we go.
Got you.
3, 2, 1. You're like, I guess so.
Do I have choice? No, I like this move.
Good. Feels good.
Yeah.
Last one, here we go. Number 2, hit. Keep it big, keep it low. 3.
Now it's falling into place.
Right knee, pick it up, punch. Now you're just gonna have some fun with it, make it your own, do you. Last one, kick it out. Right leg, right, to right, single, double, twice more. From the top again. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Right. It is better than a treadmill, right?
Agreed.
3 more. 2, second move. Hit it. Take it low. Woo. Woo. Keep it going. 3, 2. Punch down. Right leg. Hit. Almost there. Left. 2 more. Use that core. Kick it out. 3, 2, 1. Right. Left. Once more. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Right.
Oh, we got another.
Yes.
Oh, bring it.
Let's go. 3, 2. Second move. Hit. Stay low. Yes, ladies. 3 more. 2. Punch down. Down. one left. Twice more. Last one. Kick it out. 3, 2, 1. Right. Woo. Left. Finish it out. 2 more, then you're done.
Yeah.
Woo. Last one. Side.
Yeah.
Yes, my friend.
Nice.